You've heard the rumors. A friend mentioned it. Maybe you saw a post on Reddit. But what's the truth behind special massages in Thailand? Do they really exist? Are they legal? How much do they cost? Where do you even go? This guide will save you from embarrassment, scams, and wasting your time. Subscribe now, hit the bell, and comment KIT to get my free survival kit for Thailand. This isn't America. Things work differently here. If you walk in blind, you might overpay, get rejected, or ask the wrong question in a real spa and get shown the door. By the end of this video, you'll know how it really works, and you won't look like a clueless rookie. Let's get this straight. Special massage isn't written anywhere. You won't see a sign that says happy ending 500 baht. But everyone knows what it means, a little extra. It could be a sensual massage, body to body, or even full service, depending on the shop, the price, and what's offered. The biggest mistake? Walking into the wrong place, saying the wrong thing, and walking out embarrassed. Some are legit family-run spas. You can't just walk in and say, "Do you do happy endings?" In Thailand, it's all about signals, energy, body language. You've got to learn the code. So how do you find the right place without looking like a clueless tourist? Let me show you the ninja method. Look for these 5 signs. Girls outside in mini dresses calling you massage handsome. That's not reflexology. No price list outside. If they whisper in your ear, it's probably a secret menu. Tinted windows. If you can't see in, they don't want random walk-ins. Red lights, curtains, in-room showers. You're not in a spa anymore. The vibe. You'll feel it. They give you a certain look. It's all unspoken, but here's the rule. Don't act dumb. If you walk in and say, "Do you do happy ending?" You're done. But if you stay respectful, they'll guide you. Read the room, play it cool, and you'll be just fine. So let's say you've found the right spot. Here's what happens next. They welcome you. Oil, Nuru, soapy. If you hear Nuru, green light. You choose the girl, photos, iPad, whatever. No pressure, just pick who you vibe with. Then you choose the service. Some have menus, others whisper the options. Next payment, you pay the house fee up front. Extras, handled privately in the room. Then the session begins. It could be soft and sensual, or direct. Some shower with you, others start with a massage. You're in her hands, literally. Be polite, be clean. She's not your girlfriend. Don't act like it. When it's done, she smiles, maybe says thank you. You get dressed, you leave. No drama, no awkward goodbyes. Now let's talk money. Here's where most tourists get played. Normal massage, 250-700 baht. Nuru or soapy, 1,500-2,500. Full body service, 2,300-500. VIP fantasy room, over 5,000 baht. But here's the real catch. You'll pay more in the room. Hand finish, 500-1,000. Oral, 1,500. Full service, 1,500-3,000. Agree on everything before it happens. Always cash, no cards, no apps, no awkward IOUs. And yes, and halfway through she might say, "You want more? Just 2,000 baht." If you're in, say yes. If not, smile and decline. No big deal. Golden rule. Don't act like a baller. Don't bargain like it's a flea market. If she treats you well, leave a tip. Now let's talk about the traps. If she grabs your arm, we'll walk away. If prices are vague and whispered, red flag. If the towels are gruesome, leave. If she looks spaced out or high, no thanks. If you're right in the middle of walking street, overpriced and underwhelming. They don't want repeat customers. They want your wallet, that's it. But hey, not everyone comes to Thailand for extra fun. Maybe you just want to chill. A real massage, real pressure, no surprises. Here's how to spot a legit spa. Uniformed staff, modest and clean. Price board clearly visible outside. Calm music, peaceful vibe. They ask about your back pain, not your fantasies. It ends with a thank you, and maybe a cup of tea. In Thailand, you get both options. It's your choice. 3,000 to 5,000 plus baht. Some places package everything together. Others separate the base and the extras.
Tips and extras?
That's private payment to the girl. Once you're in the room and things are heading toward extra territory, she'll usually mention what's available and what it costs. Here's the typical range. Hand finish, 500 to 1,000 baht. Oral, 1,000 to 1,500 baht. Full service, 1,500 to 3,000 baht. Always agree before anything happens. If you wait until afterward, you're wide open to a guilt trip or a price switch. And yes, cash only. No cards, no apps, no awkward IOUs. Pro tip, some girls will upsell you halfway through. Baby, you want more? Just 2,000 baht. If you're not down, smile and say no. They won't take it personally. But if you're into it, make sure everything's clear. Bottom line, a normal happy ending, 850 to 1,500 baht. A full experience, 2,500 to 6,000 plus baht, depending on the place, the girl, and how VIP you want to go. Just remember, don't flash too much cash. Don't negotiate like a jerk. And always tip if she treated you well. Here's the part most guys wish they knew before their first time. Not every shop that looks sexy is worth your time. Some are straight up traps for tourists, overpriced, dirty, or just shady. Here's how to spot the bad ones before they spot you. Girls aggressively pulling you in. If they're grabbing your arm or begging you inside, walk away. Legit places don't act desperate. No prices, shady answers. If they say up to you baby or giggle and tie and throw out a random number, red flag. Dirty rooms or bad hygiene. If it smells weird, looks run down, or the towels look older than you, leave. If they can't keep the place clean, what else are they skipping? Girls who seem uninterested or high. If she looks zoned out or like she doesn't want to be there, don't risk it. You want a mutual experience, not someone forced to fake it. Shops in ultra-touristy zones, walking street, high-traffic areas. These often charge more and deliver less. They want your wallet, not repeat customers. If your gut says something's off, trust it. There are better places, discreet, clean, chill. Don't settle for the first flashy spot with neon lights and girls shouting on the sidewalk. And hey, not everyone comes to Thailand for that kind of fun. Some just want a real massage, no surprises. How do you spot a legit spa that's not going to grab your junk mid-session? Here's exactly what to look for. Professional uniforms. Staff wear modest, clean matching outfits, not heels or fishnets. Posted pricing. Clear signs with Thai massage, oil massage, aromatherapy, no weird code words. Respectful atmosphere, no yelling from the sidewalk. Inside, calm music, low light, clean rooms. They ask about your pain, not your fantasies. Where does it hurt? How strong do you want the pressure? That's what a real therapist asks. No weird tension. If it ends with a smile and maybe a cup of tea, no awkwardness, you were in a real spa. And honestly, sometimes that's exactly what you need. Thailand gives you both choices. It's up to you which door you walk through. If you walk in blind like a rookie, throwing money around, asking dumb questions, you'll either get ripped off, turned down, or have a bad experience that kills the fantasy. But if you take your time, read the signs, respect the process, keep it chill, keep it clean, and treat the people involved like humans, not vending machines, you might walk out thinking, yep, that was Thailand. Just don't get greedy, don't get sloppy. And for the love of Buddha, don't get emotional. She's not your girlfriend. She's not falling in love with you. You paid for a moment, not a future. Enjoy it for what it is, smile, move on with your day. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe, because we talk about real Thailand. Scams, dating, visas, bar girls, all the things they don't put in travel brochures. Here, we don't sell dreams, we tell the truth. Catch you in the next one. Peace.